So here, this is my WordPress website on particular pages. If any people asking for how to add video on your WordPress site, the video adding will be two types. One is called your playlist video, second will be direct upload videos. But we can always using for the other channel videos uploaded by your website. Why? Because your free website will be limited space. So if you're using for premium also, they call taking by the long term for the loading for your player. So if you are unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth, you can upload by any videos on your website. That is called looking for unlimited servers. So first of all, if you're adding this video on your website, so we can select your first of all your YouTube video. The video will adding for two areas. That is called, one is called YouTube link. Second one is called go to share option. The option call is embed. Why we can using for two options? Why? Because in embed we can changing by your width and height sizes. Width and height sizes. Suppose I'm searching for main YouTube URL. Go to your particular WordPress dashboard. I'm searching for my particular page. In this one, I can set specific position where I can upload the video. Now click for add media, insert from URL, paste it, video ready, insert into page. Can change size and width? We can't change. So same video, click for share, embed, copy. Same code we can place on by here call text, set by last is enter screen, paste it. Width will be 500, height will be 300. Give the break, I can check. This is my customized size. This is my original size, but I'm looking for customized size that only possible by the embed code. So that is called, I'm not looking for that YouTube link. So the only I'm using for in this embed code only. Suppose if you are taking for direct video on your website, simple. Go to this, add media. They support by here, JPG these files. I'm clicking for this option. So I'm searching for formatted video. So if their video is an upload here, or else, so they're not supported by any video. Video is there, but they can't support. So I'm clicking for add media, but they support not would be media also. So they support by only for you related. The PP they convert into their video format. So this is one. Is it clear? So we can using for this option always video will be or other channel videos. So I'm using here. Now click for update. Previous any video is there in this? No video. Now click for update. They check the content. They check the total video of the size here. Is it clear? This is called add video on your WordPress site. Will be two ways. One is called YouTube main URL. Second will be embed code. Any embed code you can use option call is text format. Use for text format. Here I have the question. Suppose I'm using for add media. Without add media, can I upload the video? Yes. That is called, simply copy this URL, go to visual, paste it. Done. Why is it not? Customize size is the original text size. Now click for demo. In this here, click for update. Now see for here. Is it clear? that will be add the video will be one is add media, that upload the video here on the content. Second will be embed code on the text area. So this is called add video on your WordPress site without using for any kind of coding.